In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask in Jira. Getting started, if you're already familiar with Jira, you'll know it's a powerful tool for task management, especially when handling complex projects with multiple components. Creating a subtask can help you break down tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces, making it easier to track and assign different parts of a project. So, let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Jira using your web browser. Ensure you're logged into your Jira account where you have the necessary permissions to create or manage subtasks. Once you're on the main dashboard, your next step is to look towards the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see options like spaces or projects. Click on one of these options depending on where your task is located. This step is crucial as it helps you access the specific project or area within Jira where your task is currently housed. Once you've clicked on spaces or project, you'll be directed to a more focused view of the selected area. It's imperative to keep track of where you are, as all further actions will be executed within this context. From here, look for the board that represents the specific area of your project. Clicking on this board will take you to a detailed view, displaying all the tasks that fall under that project or space. After ensuring you're in the right board, it's time to select the parent task to which you want to add a subtask. This is a crucial piece of your puzzle, as the subtasks will relate directly to this parent task. Clicking on the task brings up all the details associated with it, displaying activities, descriptions, and importantly, subtasks. Now that you have the task open, look for the subtask section within the task details. Here you'll find an option labeled Add Subtask. Click on this and you'll be able to create a new subtask. At this point, you'll type in the name or description of the subtask you're creating. Be specific and clear in your descriptions to maximize clarity for anyone else who might work on or review this task in the future. Once you've entered the necessary information, the final step is to save this subtask. You can do this by clicking a save button or simply hitting enter on your keyboard. This action will confirm the creation of your new subtask, attaching it to the original task you selected, and streamlining your project workflow. Now, with your subtasks successfully added, you've enhanced the efficiency with which you can manage and delegate specific parts of your project. This step not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures transparency and efficient tracking within your team. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful for managing your tasks within Jira. Thanks for watching.